Can you believe this one Ayurvedic powder or seed can actually grow your hair on its own? You don't need to mix it with anything. You don't need to add in anything. It can grow your hair on its own. To prevent hair fall, balding, alopecia. It helps to thicken your hair, all in one. This powerful Ayurvedic seed, Ayurvedic powder. Cha, better keep it on watching. Hello my lovelies, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you have clicked on the right videos. On this channel, I teach you on how to grow your hair long, strong, thick, and healthy. Get me started, Ako. I'm here to teach you all these things free of charge, no pay me and Aka. If you're new to this channel, I would really advise you to click on that subscribe button and be part of the family, because here we laugh a lot. Aka. I told you. Regular watcher, thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me. Ciao, I really appreciate you guys. Ciao, before we get right into today's video, I would really encourage you guys to watch my ads, because this is the only way you can support my channel, by watching them all. Please don't skip them. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into it. This powerful Ayurvedic treatment that you can use, Ayurvedic herb that you can use on your hair to grow it so thick, so long. Actually eat it as well. You can ingest it, take it internally. This is going to help you both with your hair and your health as well. This Ayurvedic herb is fenugreek. There's so many videos out there that talks about fenugreek, but guys, when I did my research on this particular Ayurvedic herb, I'm drinking it. Look at how I prepare it over there. This is how I prepare it, and this is my fenugreek water. I just put a little bit because I don't want to waste my seeds. Please, I don't want to waste. I just put a little bit. Okay, so this is my fenugreek water. I just leave the seeds in there and drink the water. Disclaimer, child, don't drink this water every day. If you have any health issues or any problems, don't do what I'm doing. You can only use it for your hair. You understand me? You understand? We're going to talk about fenugreek seeds, and if you also have the fenugreek powder, you can also use it as well in your deep conditioners, or in your hair as a paste as well. You can also use that, but for me, I have the two of them. I have fenugreek seeds and fenugreek powder. I actually use the fenugreek seeds because I put them in my water and I drink the fenugreek water, and I also use the seeds to boil them or to soak them to make my leave-in spray as well. Now, I stopped this fenugreek leave-in spray for a while. I was not using it. I was using something else, but now I've started again using the fenugreek seeds and the rosemary leave-in spray. So that's what I'm using now. So let's get into what it actually does. Now, I want you to watch this video to the end, because I want you to see how powerful it is, how you can actually restore balding. You can restore your hair from balding. This thing is powerful. Fenugreek seeds are a rich source of protein and iron. Now, if you know anything about hair, you know that our hair is actually made out of protein. That protein is keratin, and our hair is actually supported by protein, guys. So if you don't eat like foods rich in protein, or you don't use anything that has protein in it, your hair is gonna struggle, your hair is gonna break a lot, your hair is gonna be weak, because it doesn't have anything to support the protein that is already in your hair. All right, so you need protein in your hair or in your diet as well. So fenugreek is rich in iron and protein. Actually, iron actually transport oxygen to your hair, to your body, and that oxygen actually helps to stimulate blood on your scalp. That's what iron does. So if you don't have enough iron, you have a problem. If you don't have enough iron in your body, you're in big problem. So they also contain a unique composition of plant compounds, including flavonoids and saponins. Compounds are presumed to induce hair growth due to its anti-inflammatory and antifungal effects. All right, fenugreek induces hair growth, guys. These things, there are so many things out there that helps to grow your hair, but if you don't use them consistently, always said, you're not going to see the results. You're actually going to lose faith in that particular thing, and you say, oh, this thing does not work because it didn't give it enough time to actually help your hair. Can fenugreek seeds regrow hair? So this is a question that was asked as well. Many things that we as dermatologists recommend. All right, fenugreek seeds can be an aid in hair regrowth. So if you have bald spots, guys, listen to this. If you have alopecia, bald spots, or a place where your hair is thinning out, fenugreek will be a great help to restore, promote hair regrowth as well. So this is a powerful Ayurvedic herb that will actually restore your hair because it actually induces hair growth as well. Fenugreek seeds benefits for hair growth. Fenugreek seeds are rich in folic acid. Now, you know, one day I went to the hospital with my baby. Then I asked the doctor, what actually nutrient helps with hair growth? Like, what are the pills, the hair pills that can help me with hair growth? That doctor said folic acid. Folic acid is very, very good for supporting thicker hair growth. So that's what he said to me, and I was like, oh, okay. I did not know anything about folic acid. I did not know. This fenugreek seed, it has folic acid, and if you want to grow your hair thicker, stronger, longer, start using fenugreek seeds. You can actually use the fenugreek water on your hair, or you can drink it. Now we're going to talk about that later in the video, but now let's talk about these. Fenugreek seeds are rich in folic acid, vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin C, and are a storehouse of minerals such as potassium, calcium, iron. According to experts, using fenugreek seeds that have been soaked overnight could prove to be immensely effective for daily hair wars. This kind of wars here. To soak your fenugreek seeds overnight, you understand, and then use the water on your hair overnight, guys. Don't just take it, and of course it's gonna work, but if you soak it overnight, it has all the nutrients that you need for your hair or your body. Folic acid, vitamin A, K, C, potassium, calcium, iron, all these things. Imagine if you're actually ingesting it, taking it internally, how effective it's going to be. They are also known to contain large amounts of lecithin, which are hydrating in nature and can help stimulate hair follicles for faster hair growth. Hey, did I just hear faster hair growth? To mention, fenugreek seeds based masks can deeply condition dry hair, introducing bounce and luster back to your hair. Now, fenugreek or methi seeds, they are also known as methi seeds, offer a lot of benefits for hair and can help correct almost every hair problem. Give me fenugreek. Give me right now, and I'm going to carry it wherever I go. Many people claim it to be the secret to grow thick and shiny hair. Did you just say thick? Gonna start using it. Benefits of fenugreek seeds for hair is that it also fights against dandruff. So if you have a lot of dandruff, guys, start using fenugreek water. I would really advise that you soak your fenugreek seeds overnight and use the water on your scalp if you have dandruff, and just wear a plastic or even massage it in and wear a plastic, and then it will help with dandruff. High in protein and nicotinic content, fenugreek seeds are known to be highly beneficial for both scalp and hair health. It can be beneficial for small issues of hair dryness and more pressing issues like baldness, hair thinning. It also promotes hair growth. So fenugreek seeds are loaded with nutrients that not only promote hair growth but also improve the texture of the hair. Child, please, when used regularly. Exactly, child, preach it on. If used regularly, don't just use it a week or a month and say, actually it is not working. Child, there's something wrong with you. If you use it in a month or 6 months and say it's not working, continue using it. Even if you don't see any change, continue. Also reduces hair fall as well. If you feel like your hair is breaking a lot, just apply the fenugreek water on your hair, and as a leave-in spray. You don't need to wash it out, just spray it as a leave-in spray and leave it in. It also helps with premature graying. If you find out that your hair is beginning to gray, you can also use it to combat gray hair. Premature hair graying is a common problem among today's youth. Fenugreek seeds are packed with potassium, which help to tackle the problem of premature hair graying. You can also spray it on your hand, wear plastic for about 30 minutes, and then if you want, you can wash it out. But you can also use it as leave-in spray as well. So this thing is powerful. I'm going to share with you how you can use the fenugreek seeds. Now, you can soak them in water, as I've said, overnight, and use the water to spray your hair, or you can also use the powder in your deep conditioners. Use 2 tablespoons in your deep conditioners, mix it in there and use it on your hair to deep condition your hair. You're going to see the texture of your hair is going to get thicker, it's going to get stronger, your hair is going to be fuller as well, because if your hair is not breaking, you see that your hair will start thickening up as well. On DIY fenugreek oil. Now, if you want me to make a video on fenugreek oil, please let me know in the comment section below. You can also use the oil as a hot oil treatment or as a scalp treatment, that you just use it on your scalp and massage your scalp. Do the inversion method. The inversion method is like this. You do this to your head and you massage it with your head down like this. This actually promotes blood circulation. It actually helps you to grow your hair faster. If you also want me to do a video on inversion method explaining what it is, also comment below as well, guys. I'm giving you a lot of homework, and also me, I have a lot of homework to do, guys. Also, child, listen to me. Also, you can also drink this fenugreek water, like what I'm doing right now. You can also drink it, but I would advise that if you want to start drinking it, just drink a little bit and see how your body is going to react. All right. So I just drink all this, and then when it's finished, I try to put the seeds somewhere else, or sometimes I just put water in there and just drink it, guys. Honestly, that's what I do. But yeah, you can just drink, your water with your fenugreek seeds in there. You see that you're having a stomach ache or you're really responding well to the fenugreek water, just stop drinking it. It actually helps to thicken your hair from the inside, guys, because of course you need to eat healthy in order for your hair to be healthy as well. So yeah, so I actually drink it as water every other day. All right, every other day I make sure that I am drinking my fenugreek water, and my skin is changing as well. Very smooth, guys. My skin is changing. I'm drinking this, and my hair also is growing, guys. I remember I have some cornrows as well. Bye for now. God willing, I'll see you in my next one. All right, bye now.